In today's video, I'll teach you how to activate American Express card. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in americanexpress.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of American Express. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find this option for my account. Click on it. Now, you'll be able to access various options related with the account. Over here, at first, you'll be able to find this section for card accounts. At third, you'll be able to find this option for confirm your card. Click on it. Now before you confirm and activate your card, make sure you have the card with you. You'll need the 15-digit card number and 4-digit card ID. Also, you need to provide some personal details. So click on this option, confirm card, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the card details. First of all, enter the 15-digit card number over here. If you do not know where to find the card number, you'll be able to see it at the front and back of the card. Likewise, enter the 4-digit card ID. You'll be able to find the 4-digit card ID in the card itself. Now, click on this option, confirm, that you can see on the screen. Now, you'll have to provide some of the personal information in order to verify your identity. After you do that, you'll be able to set up your account. Create a user ID and password for yourself. Then also set up the two-factor authentication if needed. After you set up the account, what you have to do is follow through the prompts in order to finish the setup. You'll get a confirmation that your card is ready. Now you'll be able to manage and access your card. So like this, you'll be able to activate it. So that is how you activate American Express credit card online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.